Right, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to just do a follow up on this EGR pipe that I cleaned there last week. Whoever done it before me didn't put a gasket onto this side here, but there is one on here, but there was none there, so I got a new part in there, genuine part from Toyota. And you know what? €2.15, so nothing too expensive. You think people would just do these things, and if you can look, you can see there's leakage here, like, you know. But anyway, let's get the job done. So this is the seal that was missing. Simple piece like that, a couple of euros, €2. It was €1.19 was that. €2.40. And it can only just fit on one way, so for the sake of it, like, very lazy, whoever done it before, the little gasket is here for this end. It's having to fill up with carbon again, but anyway, let's get the job done here now. What I'll do is fit it on here first, like so, and then when I get the pipe back on, we come back on, and then we'll see. Let's do it on camera here. Take that. Just need one of them bolts there, Evan, for this side here first of all.
Yep.
Go on, give me. Thank you. Yep. Cheers. Just laying out this gasket here. Excellent stuff. When I get bolted up, it'll be straight back. So just bolted up. There's one bolt and there's two nuts on this section. Just get nice and snug. I'll do the rest. Right, you can just get these nice and snug here too. Just snug now. Right up. And then we go for the other ones, and that'll do it. And just learning. That'll do it.
May I use the long one or short one?
Use the long one. Yeah, use the long one. There we go, simple as that. And for the sake of putting the gasket in there, I'm not joking you, some people. Next job we're going to be doing, as I said the last time, we're going to be taking the EGR valve off. We're going to be taking the intake manifold off and cleaning all the carbon out of that, getting it nice and clean. And yeah, this car is a very nice clean car. This is really is tasty. So what I'll do is I get that done, I'm going to put an Android stereo into it, and then move it on, sell it on then, like the last one. Right, over and out. If this video is any way helpful, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.